Cynoteck understands the changing market trends of the industry and offers the best e-commerce web development services, such as e-commerce web design, e-commerce web development, migrations, testing, support and maintenance, to create multilingual sites and optimize the existing ones as per the client's requirements. We also help in the addition of a shopping cart to your WordPress content website. Our following products help our clients drive customer satisfaction, expand their audiences, and boost sales. 1. Magento. Magento is the best open source to build an online store. It successfully integrates physical and digital shopping experiences. 2. WooCommerce. WooCommerce helps us to use our most ideal approach to transform your WordPress site into a fully functional e-commerce store. 3. Laravel. Laravel is a web application framework that efficiently handles things like templating HTML, routing, authentication, and more. 4. Nopcommerce. Nopcommerce is the best open source and reliable e-commerce solution. It perfectly fits your B2B sphere to start and grow your online business. Mobile apps. Today, mobile apps work as a game changer in the advancement of digital marketing and dominate the entire e-commerce industry. The right app allows customers to discover the actual potential of your business. 24/7 visibility for enhanced customer engagement, fast, secure and simple payment methods for enhanced sales, push notifications to reach out to customers better, enabled social sharing for improved customers.